I'm going to set up my Amazon grow tower and I'm going to plant strawberries. I didn't have a chance to start my strawberries early on this year, and I'm glad I didn't because of the Texas frost. So I went down to the local hardware store. I just got some of Bonnie's strawberries. I got two varieties. So when you're dealing with strawberries, look to see what kind they are. This is a June bearing variety, which means they only give off strawberries around June. So I got some June bearing, and then I also got everbearing, and everbearing strawberries will give strawberries longer than the June bearing. So always check what type of strawberries you're getting. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set up my Amazon grow tower. Okay, so they're filled up halfway, and now I'm going to go ahead and grab my strawberries. Keep in mind that these stack on top of each other, so you want to keep your strawberries on the edges. And by the way, folks, if this is your first time doing strawberries send out little runners. So maybe 2 or 3 of these that you buy actually have quite a few in here, and those will send out runners, so you'll get more. This is another June bearing variety. We're going to add some hay just to lock in moisture. Also, I'm going to start off with the base. This is going to collect water. And then I'm going to take the next, or in this case, I want my June bearing strawberries down at the bottom. So I'm going to take my first set, and then underneath each one of these there's little clasps. And I'm just going to put it in there and lock it in. This is why I was saying push your dirt towards the edges, because these are going to go on top of each other, and when you water, you want that water to run down the bottom. So you don't have to do what I'm about to do, but this just helps with stability of the tower. I'm going to insert down the middle a rod, a stick, anything that will help support the tower even more. Okay, and that's just going to help lock in all of the tower layers. And I have an empty spot up here that I can use to grow like tomato tomatoes, any miniature type of tomato, or if I wanted to mini bell peppers or jalapenos, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and plant something right there.